Welcome to today's video on a topic that's sparking conversations worldwide. Can AI really replace humans in the future? Artificial intelligence is evolving rapidly, with capabilities that once seemed like science fiction becoming reality. From self-driving cars to AI-generated art, technology is pushing the boundaries of what machines can do. But as AI advances, many are asking whether it could eventually replace human skills, jobs, and creativity. In this video, we'll explore the future of AI, what it can and can't do, and what it means for humanity. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence, such as learning from data, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. While AI is already being integrated into our daily lives, its potential goes far beyond what we see today. AI excels in areas like automation, data analysis, and precision tasks. In medicine, AI can analyze medical images, assist in surgeries, and even help diagnose diseases. In transportation, self-driving cars are using AI to navigate roads and reduce accidents. However, there are limits to what AI can achieve. Despite its impressive capabilities, AI has significant limitations. It lacks emotional intelligence and creativity, meaning it cannot replicate human empathy or produce original ideas. AI can mimic human interaction, but it cannot truly understand emotions or create art driven by personal experience. In the workplace, AI is automating repetitive tasks, raising concerns about job displacement. While some industries are at risk, AI is also creating new opportunities in fields like data science, machine learning, and AI ethics. The key to adapting to the rise of AI is upskilling and continuous learning. Ethical concerns about AI include issues like data privacy and bias in algorithms. As AI becomes more autonomous, we need regulations to ensure it is used responsibly. The future of work may involve collaboration between humans and AI, where machines handle routine tasks and humans focus on creativity, strategic thinking, and emotional intelligence. The future of AI is filled with potential, but it's unlikely that AI will fully replace humans. Instead, it will enhance our capabilities and help solve complex problems, making life more efficient and productive. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others interested in the future of technology. Stay curious and see you in the next video.